Open up Device Manager, click on the Network Adapters drop-down, double-click on your Ethernet adapter, and then click on Advanced to open up the Ethernet settings. Here, disable all of the power-saving settings that are on your screen right now. Make sure that you disable each and every one of these settings that you have available from this list. Next, you need to disable Interrupt Moderation. Then you need to disable all of the large send offloads or LSOs. Next, you need to change your transmit and receive buffers. This table is going to help you find the best values based on your connection and your goals. Enable receive site scaling or RSS. Set all of the TCP and UDP checksum offloads to RX and TX enabled. Open up CMD as an administrator. Paste this command that is going to be in the description and press enter. Open the Windows Registry editor, then copy and paste this path from the description. Double click on NetworkThrottlingIndex and set the value to small letter F 8 times. Make sure that the value is hexadecimal, and that is it.